Hey guys, wanna know how to change the aspect ratio of your project in Filmora? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, import any video that you like. Once that's done, drag and drop it to the timeline. And after that, right here, you can see this monitor icon. Click on it. Now, various options will appear. The first one says change project aspect ratio. Click on it. Now once that is done, you will be provided with aspect ratios. So now you can change it to whatever you like. Maybe widescreen, which is suitable for YouTube, portrait, Instagram, standard, vertical, and so on. I'll just select Instagram for now, and you can also change the resolution as you like. And once that is done, you can also change your frame rates and then color space. Once you're done, just simply select OK. And there you have it. Your aspect ratio has been changed and you can see the difference in the preview right here as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.